start, you need these.
So I got this piece of metal in my eye and it hurts. So that's why I'm blinking and going ow a lot. So the epoxy on the car looks really good. You can definitely see where the imperfections are now. And we'll sand this down after it has time to cure. And then put some fiberglass mud over that. Sand that down. And first sand this, then fiberglass mud, then sand that. Then another coat of epoxy. And right now, hi son. Right now I'm going to spray the insides of these fenders with epoxy after I clean them. They need to be cleaned off first. Spray the inside of the fenders, then put them back on the car, and then spray the outside. So that'll be good. Tell you what, it's coming together. A lot of work though, a lot of work. All right, so the car is already in epoxy primer, beautiful. Now let's get these fenders done, right? I'm gonna do, what should I do? Outer, inner first? I guess it doesn't even matter because I could probably access both sides. So probably should do the outer fender first, since this is probably gonna blow dust no matter what I do. Make sure you have a clean area. Now, all right, so we got the fender sprayed. The lesson I learned from this is I don't like spraying them on this shelf, whatever this is. It's just they move around too much. It's really hard to reach underneath. I don't know, I can't get an even spray pattern really. So I may have to just spray them again when they're off, when they're back on the car. Just to be sure I got everywhere. I think I did. I'm under there climbing underneath there and it's horrible. So, well, at least they're done, right? And again, you can completely see all the flaws that I didn't see before. And I was looking pretty closely, so I'm kind of surprised. I had a little extra, so I sprayed some more on the door, a little bit back here, a little bit on the taillight panel, or what would be the taillight panel, just because I had extra. And that's it. So Don't forget to subscribe. Paint your car carefully. Don't make a big mess. Thanks for watching. Alright. Had some time to dry. Looks pretty good. Yep, it's dry. So, again, hard to reach. I don't think I would paint them when I get to the actual paint. I'm not going to paint them on this rack because it's just they move around too much. It's hard to get underneath. So I'm going to have to see if the front of the fender needs to be painted. I think I got it, but I was upside down, so I don't know. So that's what we'll look at next. I'm going to stick them on the car, not really attach them, just kind of put them there. And maybe the hood and the trunk lid too, and then clean all these tarps up, and then we can park in the garage. Yay! All right, thanks for watching.